Hi collectors, welcome to an episode of Why Team Hotwheels. So let's get to it. Hotwheels NFT Series 3 will be available on July 7th on wdny.io website, and you can buy virtual and real cars like new Pagani Zonda R. Series 3 have 50 models. For more info, links in the description. So our base car from Series 3 is F1 Racer with some outstanding graphics and grey 5-spoke rims. Our rare car from a series is Pagani Zonda R in black from year 2022 with 10-spoke gold rims. Our third car from a series is Premium car, has 2017 Acura NSX in beautiful metallic red color. Treasure Hunt is a 2016 Cadillac ATS VR in a golden card with beautiful 10-spoke chrome rims. And the last car is a showroom model. From this set is Pagani Zonda R in white with 10-spoke white rims. And a special thanks to WDNY.io for sharing these pics. I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video.